Hello everybody, in this tutorial we are gonna create a web application using Razor Page in .NET Core. Let me show you. Firstly open Visual Studio Code and then I have a folder here, YouTube folder, and then I'm gonna create a new folder for my project and then that's the name Razor CRUD. Okay. And then let's move the Visual Studio Code and File, Open Folder, Desktop, YouTube, Razor CRUD, Open. Okay. After that, select the View section, Command Palette, and then here the .NET New Project. Click .NET New Project, and then here we are. Select the ASP.NET Core Web App MVC Razor Page Web Application. I will give a name for this project, Razor CRUD App. Default directory, create project. Okay, close this section. You are gonna see the Solution Explorer here. Yep. Let me check for the debug. Start new instance. Yep. Okay, it's running. By the way, I created this application using some extension. Here the extension C# and C# dev kit. Before the start this project, and you have to install this two extension package. Maybe C# snippets, C# here, and then there will be a prettier extension. I have a YouTube video about how to write C# code in Mac computers. You are able to see this extension and this lesson. Okay, let's continue Razor Page.